Welcome back, everyone. Today we're gonna just look at replacing the headlight bulb on a 2015 Honda Civic. Um, so this is the vehicle here, right? And this is the headlight that isn't working. So we're gonna check to make sure the electrical connectors are good, and we're getting voltage there. And then if it's a bulb, then we'll replace the bulb. But to get to it, it's a little bit tricky, right? So we're gonna have to remove the battery out of the way to get enough space to get our hand in there, to be able to remove the bulb itself. So for the battery, it's just these 10 millimeter bolts here. To get the bracket, you're gonna have to disconnect the battery terminals